Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking 3 tasty side dishes that you can serve alongside your Christmas dinner or any meal of your choice. They're really easy to make and delicious.
Yummy.
The potato.
Around 100 edible species of potato.
Wow.
The potato is made up of 80% water. The potato was first domesticated in Peru between 3000 BC and 6000 BC. Three slang words that refer to the potato: spud, tatty, tater. Parsnips are a root vegetable that are related to carrots and parsley. The Roman Emperor Tiberius was so fond of parsnips, he accepted them as a form of payment from the Germans. As a form of starch and sweetness, the parsnips were of significant importance during the medieval times. British colonists brought parsnips to Native America in the 16th century. Native Americans began to grow parsnips, however, they didn't grow as they weren't as popular as the potato.
Sorry, parsnip, not today.
Brussels sprouts are a leafy green vegetable that are grown for their edible buds. It's a form of cabbage that is part of the mustard family. What? Brussels sprouts are named after the city Brussels in Belgium. What? It's true, they were cultivated in Belgium in the 16th century. They are called Brussels sprout, not Brussels sprout. Wow. The poor Brussels sprout has a poor reputation. I'm so sad. This is down to the fact that when people overcook their Brussels sprouts, it produces a foul odour and becomes a mushy texture.
Stinky, stinky. Ew.
Brussels sprouts are highly nutritious. Oh yeah. In fact, why don't I get my friend Brussels Sprout to speak to himself? Take it away, Brussels Sprouts.
Hey, it's me, Brussels sprouts. I'm filled with lots of good things like vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, copper, fiber, iron, zinc, omega-3 fatty acid. I mean, I could keep going. I'm just filled with all the good stuff. Why you should eat me, you ask? Well, I'll tell you why. I'm really good for your immune system. I'm really good at improving your blood flow. I'm really good at lots of things, okay? I don't know, maybe your tissue repair. I don't know, bone health. Good health. Is that enough for you? So basically, you should eat me because I can really help you out, okay? Bye!
Brussels sprouts are widely grown across Europe and North America. 80 grams of Brussels sprouts contain 4 times more vitamin C than an orange. In 2008, a Swedish man broke the world record and ate 31 Brussels sprouts in 1 minute. Brussels sprouts are a very high content of energy. Believe it or not, but in 2015, some school children and UK scientists powered a full Christmas tree with 1,000 sprouts. That's 44 kilowatts per hour.
What?
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle.
That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I really hope you enjoyed cooking and learning interesting facts about the ingredients. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload weekly cookery videos where you guys at home can cook along with me. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Yeah. Subscribe for more of this.
Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy